Hello, I'm Bhaskar Bhatt from ISDI Parsons. I'm the Chair for Product Innovation at the school, and welcome to this new MOOC called Systems Thinking for Social Innovation, a different framework using design thinking approach. The whole world understands the design thinking process, which is divided into clear 5 steps. We empathize with the community that is facing a problem, we define the problem clearly, we ideate or we create different solutions that we can, we prototype as quickly as possible, and we test those prototypes with the user segment that we are designing for. A more complicated model could be explained thus. You have the process of discovery. In other words, we try and understand the different ecosystems that govern the problem sets. We interpret the data that we get. We ideate or we create solutions for the problems that we're trying to address. We experiment with some of the ideas that we have, we test it on the people, and then finally we evolve the solution. But on the other hand, the design process can get as complicated as what you see over here. This is a slide from Goodyear Dunlop, and this is the entire research, development, evaluation and manufacturing cycle for a single tire. All of us who've been living in Mumbai in the last few months have experienced a deluge of rain. We've seen problems of urban flooding which the media has been constantly sharing with us. Problems such as train disasters, or probably complex problems like agriculture. Today our country faces several threats: dropping soil fertility rates, farmer suicides, unpredictable rainfall patterns, seed availability, and so on and so forth. Or as simply as we all see every single day of our lives, the amount of waste that we generate as a society. We consume endlessly and we throw away what we don't need. And this is a common sight in many Indian cities. While the design process is fairly linear in the 5 steps that I spoke about, systemic problem or complex social problems cannot be understood or addressed with a linear process of thought. It requires mapping of different stakeholder aspirations, which include people from the government, the citizens' aspirations, enforcement agencies, non-governmental organizations, and all the other people who are involved in addressing these complex issues. So, welcome to Systems Thinking for Social Innovation. At the end of this course, not only will you understand how to design innovative products, solutions, service models, or frameworks, but we will also teach you how to look at an entirely different framework to make your innovative idea successful. We will teach you how to educate the market segment, how to empower the people that you are designing for with ideas and solutions. We will teach you how to build enforcement protocols to make sure that your idea is successful. And finally, we will build evaluation matrices to make sure that the idea that you have designed for is successful.